So what's up, ganap? This is a quick video of my nursing journey as well as the salary, the cost of living, and also patient-nurse ratio. So I started my nursing journey as a nurse in Lanao del Sur. I graduated at university and I applied sa, tinatawag namin sila dati yung project ng DOLE for employment as nurse program. So, dinideploy nila yung mga bagong mga nurses to work in far-flung areas. So, dun ako nag-apply nearby sa aking university kung saan ako nag-graduate. So, my salary that time is 8,000 per month. Hindi nga salary tinatawag nun para siyang allowance. So, salary noon na time is 8,000 per month. Tapos, kanda delay pa yung salary namin every 3 months. Almost like every 3 months kami nagsisweldo. Yun, syempre, first, utang ka muna para makasurvive for 3 months. Minsan naman, after a month, pero most of the time talaga delay siya. Next, I started nurse program in 2011, and then as I gained my experience sa hospital doon, in 2013, I decided to apply abroad. Nung time na yon, very popular ang Middle East. So, popular na nang titake ka ng Prometric sa Qatar, meron pa yun sa Dubai, and ang napili ko is Oman kasi isa siya sa mga exam na walang bayad. So, yun. I took the exam in San Beda College, I think, sa Manila. And then, it's for free. Nakitira lang ako sa mga kamag-anak ko sa Maynila for a night or two. Tapos nag-take ako ng exam doon. At nung pumunta ako, it's like 7 a.m. in the morning. At oh my gosh, daming aplikante, guys. Ang daming aplikante that it took me pumili ako ng 7 a.m. Nakuha kong slot is 4:30 p.m. na magte-take. So, 4:30 p.m. ako nag-take. Tapos, umuwi ako ng Mindanao. Doon ko nalaman na pumasa ako. And then, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So, lumipad na ako in 2013 sa Oman. At ang sweldo ko doon is it's around 75,000 to 80,000. Tapos, ang kinagandahan noon, tax-free siya. Tapos, every year, gusto ko talaga, meron kaming annual leave. So, meron kaming paid 1 month pauwi sa Pilipinas para magbakasyon. And then, ang patient ratio doon is, it's 8 patients to 1 nurse. Paggabi, tapos pag umaga, 4 patients to 8 patients. So, depende yun siya. At isang challenging doon na experience ko, since it's a Middle East, iba lang yung language nila. You need to learn the Arabic sa Oman. So, Arabic nila. And wala kaming formal class to learn it. So, I just learned it day by day. Minsan na nga naiyak na ako. Gusto kong mauwi after 6 months noon. But then, until, I started 2013. Tapos, nag-resign ako 2018, di ba? I stayed there for a while. Nagustuhan ko yung place. Secured siya for us. And we have, my freedom that na sa mga expatriates. And then there is a lot of opportunity to fly or to travel other places like India. Nakapunta kami ng Taj Mahal, ano pa doon, punta ka sa ibang lugar. The cost of living, yung rent namin doon sa kung saan kami, natawag namin yun na accommodation, it's free kibale kasi bibigyan ka ng allowance tapos ikaw nang bahala saan ka titira. Overall, magandang experience. Trabaho is talagang rigid ang trabaho doon. And then in 2016, I took my NCLEX that time kasi plano ko talagang mag-Qatar lang. Kasi nandun yung Cleveland. Tapos, kasi hindi pa open yun yung US. And then, ang ginawa ko, nag-take on ako ng NCLEX sa India and pumasa ako noong 2016, diba? And then, the processing sa US took me 3 to 4 years with all the IELTS, mga visa screen, hanggang sa nakalipad ako 2019, December 2019, dumating kami dito sa US together with my husband, and my first assignment was in Missouri. So ang offer sa akin doon na time is that time it's January 2020. My rate is $26 per hour. So ang cost of living naman doon is low. Yung rent namin is $600 per month. Tapos yung ratio with patient to nurse is kasi night shift ako, so it's 6 patient to 1 nurse. Ayun siya. So ang cost of living doon is mababa. And then in 2023, there's an opportunity na nag-open for me, and that time natapos ko na din yung contract ko in Missouri. So I moved here in Northern California, and my initial rate upon hiring is $86 per hour. So nandito ako sa Bay Area. And then maganda ang hospital, and our ratio, the patient-nurse ratio is 3 to 4 patients to 1 nurse. And then the cost of living here is so high. So kahit na mataas yung rate mo, mataas din ang cost of living. Ang rent namin, we started here in an apartment, two bedrooms, 1 bath. Kasi yun lang din nakita namin sa apartment.com. Kasi alam nga namang lilipad kami sa California para humanap lang ng apartment. Naganap lang kami online. So, syempre, tinignan namin yung vicinity, gaano kalapit, and then yung security. Ang una naming nakuha na apartment, the monthly payment is $3,600 kasama ng utilities. So currently, we are now living with 2 bedroom and 2 bath. At ngayon, we're further away from the hospital where I'm working right now, like around 30 minutes drive. So we pay right now is $2,659. Mura na yan siya dito, guys. So it's like, so as you see on my nursing, life, or like moving from one place to another, magkakaiba talaga ang cost of living. It's the same as like you're comparing Bayabas na Bisaya when I was in the Philippines, and then I moved to Oman. Siguro naging na siya, mango. Tapos naging social na siya. Pagdating ko sa Missouri, naging grapes na. And then pagdating dito sa California, I can say, ano bang mahal na fruit? So mga blackberry, blueberry. So yun siya, different talaga. Hindi mo masasabing saan ka mas nakalamang, ganon. So depende na sa'yo how you budget. So yun lang. Bye!